Yeah, hello everybody. Today we are just going to see about Snibe Diagnostics, Maglumi, cTnL, CLIA reagent kit, cardiac troponin 1, chemiluminescence immunoassay reagent kit. You can see the brand name over here, Snibe Diagnostics, Maglumi, and product name cTnI, CLIA reagent kit. And this is the content over it. You can see this comes up with 2.5 ml of magnetic microbeads, 2 ml of calibrator low, 2 ml of calibrator high, 7.5 ml of buffer, 8.5 ml of ABA label, 2 ml of control 1 and 2 ml of control 2. Yeah, these are the reagents present inside. And this is the reference number 130256002M. This is the reference number of this product. And over the pictorial representation you can see this comes up with one instruction manual, and this product should be keep away from direct sunlight, and the product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am using ice pack to maintain the product temperature. And this is for 100 test kits, and this is a C certified IVD product, in vitro diagnostics. And over here you can find the manufacturing details. Yeah, these are the details present in this side. Now we can see the other sides of this reagent kit. This is the top side, and this is the other side. You can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, and over here also you can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, and over here you can find the product name cTnL and reference number 130256002M. Yeah, these are the details present in this box. I'm just going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, you can see at first it is an instruction manual. This is the instruction manual for Snibe Maglumi cTnL reagent kit. Over here you can find the cat number 130256002M. This is for 100 test kits. In this instruction manual you will be having intent of use, summary, test principle, reagents, warning and precautions, reagent handling, and after that specimen collection and preparation for analysis, specimen storage, procedure, assay procedure, and all the details are being present in it. These are the information present in instruction manual. I'm just going to keep this aside. After that, this is the certificate, quality assurance certificate from Snibe Diagnostics for this product, Maglumi cTnL reagent kit. Let's keep this aside. After that, you will be having a reagent seal. You can see this. This is the Maglumi reagent seal for cTnL reagent kit. This is of 3 number. I'm just going to place this aside. After that, you will be having an ABA label for control 1 and control 2, each 4 number, totally 8 stickers will be there. You can see this cTnL control 2 4 number and cTnL control 1 4 number, totally 8 stickers were present. And just place this aside. After that, these are the control 1 and control 2. I'm just going to take this out. You can see this is the Maglumi cTnL CLIA control 1. Here you can see the brand name Snibe, and this product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and this is of 2 ml. I'm just going to place this over here. And after that, this is the Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi cTnL CLIA control 2 reagent. This is of 2 ml. I'm just going to place this. This is the reagent kit. You can see the brand name over here, Snibe Diagnostics and Maglumi cTnL CLIA reagent, and these are the reagent present in it. 2.5 ml of magnetic microbeads, 2 ml of calibrator low, 2 ml of calibrator high, 7.5 ml of buffer, 8.5 ml of ABI label, and these are the reagent present in it. And you can see the pictorial representation. This product has one instruction manual, and this product should be away from direct light, and the product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and this is for 100 test kit, and this is a C certified IVD product in Vitro Diagnostics. This is the top view, and this is the front view, and this is the back view of the kit. That's all about it. To summarize, Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi cTnL CLIA reagent kit consists of one instruction manual and 3 number of Maglumi reagent seals for cTnL, and this is the certificate of quality assurance certificate, and 2 ml of cTnL CLIA control 1 and 2 ml of cTnL CLIA control 2, and 8 number of ABI label, 4 cTnL control 1 and 4 cTnL control 2 labels, totally 8 stickers, and this is the reagent present in it. This comes up with 2.5 ml of magnetic microbeads, 2 ml of calibrator low, 2 ml of calibrator high, and 7.5 ml of buffer, and 8.5 ml of ABI label. These are the overall content present in it. Thank you.